Alright guys, Jackshaft has been installed. Got everything tightened on here. This chassis cross member here, got it screwed in. Guys, check these bolts up here on your front spars. This one was missing about half of them, just rattled out from use, etc. So make sure you got those. I had a few laying around from a parts bin. I was able to source, put in there. Oh yeah, Driveshaft is in too. So we got that on there. Rear suspension's about ready to go in. But Chaincase, we got that in. It's all looking good. Along with the chain and sprockets. Adjusted the chain tension. Basically, my rule of thumb, you spin this bolt till it's finger tight against the chain, and then tighten your lock nut here. So on the back side, here's kind of the deflection. So it's not, I mean, it's fairly tight, but it's not over tight, and it's definitely not loose. Definitely don't want this thing slapping around when you have changes of acceleration, speed, harsh stops, etc. So anyway, that's what we got going on. More to come.